Alright, YouTube. So if y'all saw in the last video where we went and picked the LS2 mode up, y'all saw I was talking about the engine leaking oil whenever I jack the front up. So right now, I done remove our crossover transmission lines. I also had me a 4x4 block up under the harmonic balance. That way, when I take the transmission off, the motor don't go down far. So I got 4 bolts, 5-inch bolts. I'm gonna go ahead on, yank him off of there, guys. Gang, gang, y'all see, guys. We got that transmission up out of there. Y'all see it. Let me show y'all what the problem was, why we was leaking. And this is why we was leaking right here. So we was dripping a good puddle, but this is the reason why. This here remain seal. Look right there. You see that right there? See that notch right there? It's leaking right there. See that? That's why we was leaking. Them 2 notches right there. This is why we was leaking, y'all. One right there and one right there. So I'm gonna swap him out. Swap out this remain seal. And we ought to be good, gang. Appreciate y'all for checking in. We gone.